Okay, so now we're going to deal with basic cross multiplication. So here is our first example. So imagine I have this. X over 3 is equal to x plus 1 over 5. In order to solve for this, what we have to do is we're literally going to have to take a cross product. Cross product means take the bottom of the other side with the top of the other side and put them together. So in this case, you end up with, on the left side, 5 times x, which is 5x. Notice we said it was cross multiplication, so we're crossing the numbers on the bottom times whatever's on the top of a fraction, and we pull it together. So now let's do that again. So now, for the blue side, our right side, we have 3 times x plus 1. Now, this involves distribution. Normally you'd think, okay, I'm done. Oh no. But basically it leads to what we have done before. So remember when we distributed something, we took the 3 and multiplied by this, and then took the 3 and then multiplied again by the next thing in our list. So now let's do that. And we end up with, on the left side, we end up with, on the right side, we end up with 3x plus 3 is equal to, well, isn't that interesting? We end up with equaling to 5x. Now, normally we'd go through and do the normal stuff that we did before, but here's what we do. Now we need to collect, we need to do our rules from before. So you remember what our rules were from before. We put all our variables on the left and set that equal to whatever numbers we have on the right. So now we got 5x. I'm going to cross that off now. But then, if you look on the right side, we have a 3x. The 3x is on the right side. And remember, we need to move it over to the left side. So instead of having 3x on the left, it's going to be minus 3x. I crossed that off already. So now we're left with the final number, which is equal to positive 3. So now, all we have left to do is we have to collect our like terms. And our like terms are, on the left here, 5x minus 3x, which gives us 2x is equal to 3. Oh my goodness. So the last stage of solving this would be to divide both sides by 2, like what we normally did. And we end up with our x equaling, oops, I made a mistake here. Sorry. Instead of both sides divided by 2. So we're left with 2x over 2, which is x, and 3 over 2, which is, well, 1.5. And we're done. That's it. End of story. Okay? All right. So the questions that you're working on today will involve things like this, like what we have here on our screen. Okay, now we've got, you'll have stuff where you have to do distribution, pull it together, move stuff to the left, move stuff to the right, and then solve for x. Just like we did in question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. All right, good luck. Have a good day.